Hello, and welcome to an Inside Chat with Dr. Brenda. I'm Dr. Brenda White, and it's really a pleasure to be here speaking with you today. Thank you so much for stopping in. I am the author of a book. It's called Make Food Your Medicine and Medicine Your Food. And this is a book I wrote as a result of a journey I took in 2010 to reclaim my health. And in that book, I share the knowledge and the insights that I gleaned through that journey. Last week, I released my introductory video, and it was so well received. And I just want to say thanks to all the people who viewed the video, liked the video, liked my page, and a particular real big shout out to everybody who shared that video. You see, that's the way we make change. That's the way we start a movement that can change the health of our community. So I said thank you. Thank you so much. That video also sparked another question from a viewer, and her name is Gloria. Hi, Gloria. And Gloria wanted to know, what are pH levels and why are they important? So that's going to be the topic of the chat today. pH levels measure the amount of acid and alkaline ash you have in your bloodstream. And depending on what you've eaten, it's either going to be acid or it's going to be alkaline. You see, when you eat food, it is burned as energy, and it leaves that ash residue in the bloodstream. Now, so it's very important that our bloodstreams be healthy. As I speak to you, there are millions of cells being born into your body every second through the body's self-regenerating system. You see, it's believed that every 7 years, you have a brand new body because of the cells regenerating every second, every moment that you are alive. The cells are said to be the brick in the mortar for all living tissue, organs within your body. You see, if you have a healthy cell, that's going to create healthy tissue. And healthy tissue will create healthy organs. Healthy organs create healthy systems. And healthy systems are what creates a healthy body. So it's very important that we keep our bloodstreams healthy. In Leviticus, the 17th chapter and the 11th verse, it states that the life of the flesh is in the blood. You see, disease does not start at the cellular level. It starts at the, disease doesn't start at the system or the organ level. It starts at the cellular level. So it's our cells that we have to be really, really concerned about. So if you have a dominant acid bloodstream, that's a breeding ground for fungus, mold, and bacteria, and also disease. The body cannot easily digest acid ash, so it ends up sticking in your joints, it sticks to your inner organs, and you'll find that the body will create fat cells to buffer the inner organs from all of the acid that's in the bloodstream. It prevents the body from absorbing the nutrients and the vitamins that are in your food. And it is a breeding ground for fungus, mold, bacteria, and disease. And you get an acid-heavy bloodstream from eating meat, processed foods, fast foods, sugary, refined sugar foods, cakes and cookies. All those foods create a dominant acid bloodstream. On the other hand, if you have an alkaline dominant bloodstream, you'll find that you're healthy. You'll find that if you get sick, you heal quicker. You see, fungus, mold, and bacteria cannot flourish in an alkaline, heavy bloodstream. And you also find that you release weight, energy, high energy level. So that's what we want to strive for. And you obtain an alkaline, heavy bloodstream by eating organic fruits and vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, beans, and drinking half of your body weight in water every day to keep it hydrated. So what the takeaway today is that you are what you eat. You are what you eat. So it's very important that we have these little chats so that we can discuss and share information with you. And it's particularly important that people learn about the pH levels because pH levels aren't routinely checked like your blood pressure, your sugar levels. They aren't routinely checked. So this is something that you would have to request. On one of my routine visits with my doctor, I asked her what were my pH levels, and she was surprised that I knew what they were. And then she confided that they only run the test for pH level if a patient has a severe case of cancer. Other than that, it's not a routine thing that they check for, which blows my mind, but that's what it is. So that concludes the chat for today. And if I've said anything that registered with you, please hit that share button and share, because this is the way that just little bits of information can make such a difference in our lives and in our health. So until next time, I'm Dr. Brenda, and I want to thank you for spending time and chatting with me today. And so I'm going to say namaste, and namaste is a transcript word that means this God, this present, this love within me, reach the God, the present, and the love that's within you. Namaste, and may peace be with you.